Hey guys, for starters, I just want to come on here really quick and I owe you guys an apology. So I am so sorry. I did some videos a while back and said, hey, I'm back. And then I didn't really come back after that. Now, did I? So I kind of realized I have been going through a funk. I've just been kind of down in the dumps, not inspired to do much of anything. And I think a lot of it is just being under quarantine. I have literally been in this house since February 20th and barely stepped outside. I mean, I've gone outside, but I mean, I've barely gone anywhere. I can't tell you what restaurants are near my house other than the fast food places. I just have not been able to venture out and get very far. So it's kind of taken its toll on me, and I decided it's time to get out of that funk, no matter what the circumstances are, and start enjoying life again. And you guys are a huge part of that. So I just wanted to kind of catch you up on everything. I have actually been filming videos. I just have not been inspired to edit them in any way, shape, or form. So that's part of my problem right there. And it's not like I don't have time. I have plenty of time. I just haven't felt creative to get in there and do the editing process. So anyway, I want to let you know, I'm back. I promise you, pinky swear to everybody out there, pinky swear that I'm back. I do want to show you a new member of my household though. So hold that thought for 1 second and I will go grab that new member. Okay, I am back. I'm sorry my neighbor's dog is barking. Something must be out there. But anyway, this is him. This is our new member of the household. Don't claw me, baby. It's okay. Ow, so I'm pulling my own hair is what I'm doing. He is a dwarf lop-eared bunny. And somehow the name Foof, F-O-O-F, has stuck for him. He's just a sweetheart. The way I came up with the name is originally I was calling him Little Bunny Foo-Foo, and Foof came out one time instead of Foo-Foo, so that just kind of stuck. So he's Foof, and he is a sweetheart. He's a love. He's a cuddler. He's very curious. The dogs get along with him great. He's got a lot of run of the house. He's also shedding right now, apparently, because I'm seeing hair flying all over the place. But see how he's just a cuddler? He just likes to be up here and takes his treats. So I've ordered some steps for him so he can get up on the couch. My old rabbit used to be able to just hop right up there because it was big enough, but this one being a dwarf is not going to be able to do that. I really don't know how old or how big he's going to get. I was really sad. I was trying to adopt one, and I was reaching out to all of the adoption places. I was contacting even the 4-H clubs. Okay, I need to stop editing him. I don't know if you guys can pick the camera's picking this up, but there's hair flying everywhere. I reached out to all the 4-H places because obviously there's not going to be any county or state fairs this year, and that's normally where a lot of people will get their pets. So I ended up having to go to a pet store to get him. Good Lord, he's just adorable. And I'm in love with him, so he's sticking around. And yeah, that's the new addition to the household. Let's see, what else? Nothing's really new, you guys. It's really not. I have a bunch of stuff I've been ordering. I've got some more videos to film for you guys because I'm starting to get very involved with Wish now, and I've actually become one of their, what they call Wish ambassadors, which I think is just wonderful. So I'm going to be reviewing a lot of their products. I've ordered a whole bunch of stuff. I've got some videos coming up where I'm going to do pretty much a full face of makeup with Wish. I've got clothes, I've got shoes, I've got jewelry, I've got household items, just all kinds of cool stuff. And yeah, just cool things in the works. So of course I'll be doing my makeup tutorials. I got plenty of foundations. I just placed another Sephora order, so I'll be getting even more stuff in. But I just want to get out here really quick, say I miss you guys. I am definitely back, so please sit tight. I'll get through these videos I have, and I will get them edited, and we'll get this ball rolling. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. Thanks for hanging in. And Poof and I say night-night. I'm going to go night-night because it's nighttime here now. Hey, she's so good. Oops, I don't want to get lipstick on you. Okay, bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe.